Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making some quick and easy chicken quesadillas. And what you're going to need for this is the 1 12-ounce-and-a-half can of canned chicken, a 10-ounce can of Ro Tel, and a cup of cheese. I got the Mexican style cheese here. So, and your tortillas. Now it calls for 8-inch, and I got the fajita size, which is closer to like 5 inches or 6 inches. So, alright, but let's get this going and see how it all turns out and enjoy. And of course, you want to have either salsa or cream cheese or sour cream. Yeah, sour cream. As a side for this, so if you got that, that'd be good. Alright, well, let's get this going. Alright guys, first thing you want to do is open up the chicken and drain it. I already got this drained. So we're going to pour this in here. Put it in the bowl. Just want to get it, take it and get it so it's all broke up and shredded. Yeah, let's get it where it's good and broke up there. Okay, and take your Ro Tel and down. Yeah. You got some cat issues. Alright, well, so we'll get that good mixed in here. Next thing we're going to need to do is, excuse me, I normally get this measured out beforehand, but yeah, put in your cup of cheese and get that mixed in there. Make sure it's all good and mixed in there. Now I got the yeah. Okay, well, here we go. Let's see if I can get a spoon here, kind of help out with things. Now I got this preheated up here. It's an electric frying pan. It's my Fiberware. It's giving me some good service here. Let's put these together here. So first thing you want to do is spray the one side of your tortilla. We'll lay it down on the frying pan, and we'll put 2 serving spoons here of the and we'll spray our and sit down on top. we'll let it cook for 2 minutes on each side, or about a minute and a half. And so, all right. You know, I've been quite busy here lately, and had some things going on at the house with Rayna's passing, so kind of been distracted from YouTube stuff. So I'm gonna hopefully get back in the swing of things here. So let's see what this. All right, let's flip this over. All right. There we go. These things aren't quite as even out as I'd like, but it'll do. Alright, well, another 2 minutes on this side. Alright, let's take this out, flip it over, let's look at that. Alright, well, this cools here. While that cools, we're going to put in another one. So again, we just spray the one side. We'll get the I made sure this time I got that on there. Let's spray that. Alright, now we're gonna take this one and first we'll cut it in half. And then we'll cut it in another half to make 4 quarters. So there you guys go. Hey, quesadillas. Alright, we'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, let's give this a try. Here we go. This is really good. Okay guys, this is quick and easy chicken quesadillas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can get a little bit of salsa and some sour cream to go with this. Makes a great little lunch or snack. So okay guys, well, I'll see you on the next video, and if you would like to, leave a comment below, and if you can give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also take time to subscribe to the channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturday, and I also do some taste test and sightseeing and adventure type videos as well. So guys, I'll see you on the next video, and remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. I got you later.